this video, we will show how to program the softener. Press any button to start, and if the screen reads as shown, simply press and hold the settings button down for approximately 3 seconds until you hear a beep. This means that you've successfully unlocked the control valve. Press and hold the settings button for approximately 3 seconds until you hear a beep and the time of day shows on the screen. This is where we're going to program the current time of day. By pressing the arrow up or down buttons, you can change the hour of the day, followed by the settings button to advance to the minutes. Again, by pressing the arrow up or down buttons, you can change the minutes of the day. Then press the settings button, and then you can press the arrow up or down buttons to change it to AM or PM. Then press the settings button to advance to the year. Again, pressing the arrow up or down buttons, you can change to the current year, followed by the settings button to advance to the month. Again, pressing the arrow up or down buttons, you can change to the current month. Press the settings button to advance to the day. Pressing the arrow up or down buttons, set it to the current day. Press the settings button to arrive at the hardness setting. The factory setting is 25 grains hard. By using the arrow up or down buttons, this is where you'll program the softener for the hardness in your home. In this example, the water hardness in the home was 35 grains. Press the settings button to advance to the number of people in the home. The factory setting is 4 people. By pressing the arrow up or down buttons, change it to the number of people that are in the home. Press the settings button and you'll advance to the salt setting screen, which is factory set at standard. This means that the softener will use 6 pounds of salt per cubic foot per regeneration. The lock image shown on the screen indicates that the salt setting is in locked mode. It cannot be changed. So press the settings button to advance to the water source screen. The factory setting is well other. This means that the unit will perform a backwash cycle during every regeneration. However, if the softener is installed on a municipal application, press the arrow up or down button to select municipal. This is a water-saving feature where the softener will only perform its backwash cycle once out of every 10 regenerations. But for this case, the water source is well water, so press either the arrow up or down button to highlight well other, followed by the settings button to advance to the regeneration time. The factory setting for a softener is 2 AM. By pressing the arrow up or down buttons, you can change the regeneration time in increments of 15 minutes. But it is highly recommended that the softener be programmed to regenerate at 2 in the morning, so we will leave the system for 2 AM by pressing the settings button to advance to this screen. The screen shows that no is highlighted. If we were to press either the arrow up or down button to change this to yes, then the control valve would revert back to all of its factory settings, which we do not want to happen. So press the settings button to confirm that programming is complete. The display screen should now show the current date and time that you just programmed. You have now successfully programmed the softener for the household.
Visit us at www.canaturewg.com.